Hello everyone!
Hello!
Welcome back to Girl Madness, and in today's video, we're trying yet another Juicy Drop gummies.
So we actually really liked this last time. This time we have new flavors. We got strawberry lemon, really pink and lemon.
And cherry berry.
So we really liked this last time, so we're not holding back this time.
We're not holding back this time. So, as we knew from last time, we have like this little pen thing that I can squeeze out.
And they look like really pink and yellow.
And this is like
Red and
purple.
pink?
Pink and purple.
Pink and purple?
Pink and purple. How does this taste? Let's try.
Ooh.
This has you're supposed to eat it.
So this was also really yellow, I think.
Wait, orange, I would say.
Yeah, orange. Really orange.
Yeah, like yellow orange.
This tastes more lemon than strawberry. I'm trying the berry.
And this just tastes sweet.
So then it's
Now you're trying the other one.
the berry. No, cherry berry.
Cherry berry and strawberry lemonade for me. Yeah, there's much more lemon, not so much strawberry.
No. So how will it be with lemon and strawberry and cherry and berry?
And I'll try the opposite.
No,
This works.
that was actually a good combination.
I think this was actually better than the intended one.
Then cherry berry, strawberry lemonade.
Yeah, that was actually a good combination.
Oh,
It was okay.
that was absolutely the best combination.
Absolutely. So, I mean,
So the round ones in cherry berry and the liquid part from strawberry lemonade.
I think that's actually how they should sell this product.
Yeah, that was a very good combination. I can't believe they didn't do that from the start.
So they should sell it. It's like this on top and with this one.
So cherry berry with strawberry lemonade, like the liquid part. That was the best combination.
Yes.
That is how that is how Juicy Drops should sell it. We're giving you gold here.
We are giving it a go. By the way, I think it's just funny. But what do you rate this?
I think I'm gonna rate it a strong 7.
Yeah?
Actually, a strong 7. Oh wait, probably an 8. A very strong 7, like 7.9.
Yeah, I agree with that. I think a 7 is a good rating. Maybe even lower if it didn't like mix them. I think because of the mixing, it deserves it.
It actually does.
I mean, especially for children, I think this is a very funny candy.
The concept is cool and the candy tastes good.
Yeah, it's
Like,
quite alright.
even for us as adults, it tastes good.
Yeah.
So go for it.
Go for it. And with that,
Thank you so much for watching this video.
and see you guys in another video.
Tomorrow.
Bye.